Well, my name is Andrew Spooner. I am one of the leaders in the young adults. Pastor Eliab Quinones is the other. He's not feeling well today. Wish he could join as well. But I want to talk just a little bit about young adults and what our goal is, like what we're all about. So a lot of times people think of young adults and they think, well, you know, they just want to have their own music, they want to have their own worship style and so forth. That's not what we're about in young adults. I mean, we do have our own worship style. We do have the music that we like and so forth. But to me, the real core of young adults, like what we are trying to capture in reaching these young people, is community. We are developing a community of young people who know each other, who love each other. Because let's face it, the reality is in our churches, there are very few young adults. Teenagers, kids, sometimes because their grandparents and their parents force them to come. But once they hit young adults, a lot of times we don't see them at all, or maybe for many years. And so we really want to reach this group of young adults who we're losing. Just to be honest, we're losing these people in our church.
My name is Andrew Stowell. I'm more well known as Awesome Andrew. We just recently got out of one of our meetings, and that's what I'm here talking about today. Our 11 o'clock meeting just goes over a Q&A that we do with Pastor Q, Robert Quintana, and Pastor Andrew. But we had some awesome guest speakers for those who couldn't make it today. We had Elder Shires, Pastor Christian, and Pastor Bailey, all great people, and we were just going over relationship advice and different topics after that. I say this young adult tent is really great for our meetings. It gets you really spiritual. So please, if you're a young adult, come join us. We're having lots of fun. Again, my name's Andrew, but you're more than welcome to call me Awesome Andrew.
Hello, I'm Jeff McCormick, and I've been going to camp meeting really since I first moved here to Oklahoma, since I was 10. And I've been through all the children's classes, but the young adult class has a special place in my heart, specifically because of the Q&A, the question and answer time. And there was a lot of that in the teen division, but I felt like it never really got to the depth of what the questions needed. And I feel like in young adults, the pastors take the time to cover the tough questions and to take them not only from an emotional standpoint, like, okay, how would this feel if I were in this young adult's shoes? But rather they would also take the logical path, the biblical path, and shed light and clarity on each of the questions. And they throw a lot of humor in it too, which is phenomenal. I always am like rolling over with laughter by the end of the meeting. It's a great experience, and I really learn a lot. In fact, a lot of the questions that are asked have to do with relationships. And I can honestly say that the most recent romantic relationship that I've had was a hands down success because of that Q&A.
Hi, I'm Kara. This is my third year in the young adult tent. This is probably my 15th year coming to Awoka Woods.
Hi, I'm Claire. It's my third year with the young adult tent, and like Kara, I have been here for almost 15 years, I think. So
We've really enjoyed being here. They do lots of fun Q&As. We do topics in the evenings, but we also get to do a lot of fun activities. Like yesterday, we played Soapy Water Twister with all of us in a big group, and it was super fun. And we played, what did we play the other day?
we played water dodgeball. It was still slippery, so that was, I think we've done more like water activities, which is great, especially with the heat and everything.
Yeah, we love coming to camp meeting and getting to spend time together. That's definitely probably my favorite thing, is getting to see old friends and stuff. So
Yeah, good thing. I love camp meeting.
The conference has been really supportive. Now, we are really excited about the new buildings that are on the way. And we think this is really important because even though, we make do with what we have here. We've got a tent. The conference has been gracious enough to give us air conditioning units, and it's been a lot better than last year, year before, etc. But it's still really hot in here. It's still uncomfortable. So we're really looking forward to those new buildings. So any of you who like want to contribute to that or pray for that, at least that we get those new buildings, that would be awesome. Because we're really excited to reach this generation, to reach this age bracket. And let me tell you, we love these guys. We really do. So if you are a parent or grandparent of a young adult, thank you so much that we get to hang out with them and we get to minister to them, because we love hanging out with them all week.